showing you how you can install the Afritalk live chat widget on your website. Yeah. Now, say this is our website, and we want to use the Afritalk live chat widget on our website. So the first thing is for you to click on Start for Free, and you create an account. Let's say this. Then you have to put your working email. So it can be info@yoursite.com or at Gmail. Then you have to create a strong password. Then what is your company name? So you have to choose your company name. Then your website URL. So you must use your exact website URL in order for us to activate the system. Then click on Agree to Terms and verify if you are not a robot. Then once you're done, you click on Start for Free. Then it will ask you some questions. Industry, I'll just click Orders. Size, I'll click 1 to 10. Region, I'll choose this. Then time zone. So let me just choose any time zone here. So you can choose your time zone. Then you hit Continue. Now it will now ask you to set up what do you want to be your greeting message, then your support email, then your working hour. Then you click on Continue. The next thing, you set your widget. What is your color? So I'll check my website color is let's say blue. So I'll just come back and I'll leave it at blue. You can choose any other color of your choice. So let me take it and maybe deck blue. Then do you want it to be at the bottom right, left, and so you position it there. Now your brand name. What is your brand name? So this is where you put your brand name, and you have to choose your logo. What logo do you want to appear on the widget on your website? So let me just use this icon as my logo. Then the next thing, you hit Continue. Now once you hit Continue, you have to copy your widget code. So I'll copy the code, and you go to your website, your cPanel, you go and locate your footer. So I'm just going to drop this at my footer. Just drop this at my footer. Say, yeah. I hope I'm correct. Yeah. So let's see it. Then I hit on Save. Now, if I hit on Save and I refresh my website, if I put it at the right place, you see my widget is already active here, but it won't work because I've not activated it. So I have to come back to this place and click I've installed it so that the system will activate my widget. Now it has activated my widget, and I have 30 days free to use this widget. So the next thing is for us to log into our dashboard. So log into our dashboard. All right, then I log into my dashboard. So now that we've activated it, you see that if I come back here and I refresh my website, and if I click on Let's Chat, you see it will now be active because it has been activated. Now, Afritalk will not suspend your account, or like other companies, they won't suspend your account. Now, from your website, you could see visitors that are on your website. You see visitors that are on your website. So let me just navigate through the dashboard so that you see how the dashboard works. Afritalk have AI agents that you can as well add to your website. So if you come down, you see AI assistant here. So from this place, you can actually set up your AI assistants. You can set up the questions you want here. So from this place, what is the name of my AI assistant? I can call it Royal AI. Subtitle is AI assistant. Then if I want a badge, I can say Ask Royal any question as a label. Then from this place, hi, I'm Roya, an AI assistant. So you can just, now when someone sends hi or hello, what automated answers or response do you want to release? This is where you set it. Then Any question they ask, your system don't have an answer. You put what the system should respond. So from this place, you can actually set the questions. Let's say someone asks for something like, what are your prices? So meaning I want AI to answer this for me. Then I'll just put any random thing as my prices here. Then once I'm done, I'll click on save. Then I'll come and enable this, enable the widget on my website. I click on save. Then if I go reload my website here, I'll see that my AI has appeared. Look at my AI here. Ask Ria any question. Then if I click on my AI, you see that question that I just set here. What are your price? So once your visitor click it, the answer is going to come out. Then if they don't want to chat with your AI, they can actually chat with a real life person. So take for instance, they want to chat with a real life person. I'll just come to conversation. So let me just put sample. I'll just say sample here. Then I'll put sample@gmail.com. Then I click on submit. Then I click on let's chat. So if I say hi, there is an automated response to hi. Yeah. So can I know more about your services? Now, if I come to this place, you see my chat is already here. This is the person that I'm chatting with. So as your support agent, you can actually assign the role to any person. We'll talk about that then. If you want to make it offline, busy, and stuff like that. So any respond, this is auto respond, quick respond. Once you click on send, the visitor is going to see it. So you can share medias and the rest. So let me navigate through visitors here. Now from visitors, you get to see people that are on your site currently. So you get to see the visitors that are on your site. Yeah. These are the visitors. Then you see if they are active or not. Now chatbot, if you click on chatbot, so from here you can enable your welcome message. This is your welcome message. Now fag replies, you can set fag replies here as well. Maybe someone asks for hours, automatically this will come up. Then someone asks for pricing. So you can set your keywords and you set their auto response. So for you to do that, you just click on add rules here. Then you come down to set your keyword. This is new rule, so you set it and everything is going to appear. Now chat routing, so you can, if someone say okay quote, so meaning the person want to chat with someone that is on quote department, demo, buy, sales, etc. So you just play around there. Then if you want to ask your user for email, if they want to send offline messages, this is where you click on it, and after that you save your setting. Now, let's move over to widget. So now from this widget here, you get to set how your widget is, the color, the behavior, and everything. Yeah. So from here, you can set the color. As you are changing it here, you are seeing the preview here. Your preview is appearing here. So this is where you see your preview. Then the chat button, if you want it to be square, it will be like this. If you want it to be peel chat label, you see something like the chat. So this is where you set anything you set. You just from here you see your branding. You can change your brand name, your greeting message. Then you can change your logo. Then you can your welcome space. There is an image here. Let me end this live chat. Now if you want to change this image here, yeah, this is where you change it, your welcome space image. So you just upload it and it's going to change. Of course, we've talked about AI assistance. Then the installation. Of course, you've already installed. So if you want to use it on WordPress site, all you need to do is just click on WordPress. You see the information. You just put it at your header/footer. Copy the code and put it at your header/footer. Same thing with Shopify. And if you're a developer, just go through this very site. So from this place, you can get contacts. Yeah. Now this person, you can click on contacts and you can see the chats that contact has chat with your agent. Is that okay? Now from here, team, you can create members. You can create departments, maybe support department, pricing, as the case may be. So you create a department here. Then from here you add team members. So their full name, work me, if they are agent or they are viewer or they are admin, of course they are agent. Then you assign a department for them and you add. Is that okay? So from here you check your analytics and you see what has transpired in your site so far. This is how everything will appear in this place. Then from here you see notifications. You can enable notification, daily summary for you to see whatever that has been going on your site. So we have our chat sound. So if you want to enable your chat sound is here. So all you need to do is just enable your chat sound, and everything will be in place. Of course, your profile is here. You can update your profile. You can change your image. If you want to change your image, that is here. You just click on upload image there, and you can let's use this. Let me just use this. Then once you upload, so once you update your image, everything is going to appear there. Then from your setting here, you can set whatever you want to set about the system. Then billing, if after 30 days, so this is where you come and you upgrade your plan. So you just click upgrade, and you select your mode of payment. If it is automatic or crypto, then you make your payment, and your system is activated. By, of course, security, you can make change of your password, and you can turn on two-step authentication. And this is your API webhook, and this is how Afritalk actually work, and everything about Afritalk. So it is flexible. Afritalk will not just suspend your account just like that. They will not just suspend your account just like that. So refer Afritalk to your developers, company owners, website owners, etc. So this is how Afritalk work.